once again. So you just listen it. So today we have seen after the parturition the next stage, that is lactation के बारे में. So what is lactation? It is the production of milk by the mammary glands. Mammary glands, after the baby is delivered, the mammary glands, they start secreting the milk from it. So this process of secretion of milk by the mammary glands, it is called as lactation. Then this milk which is produced by this mammary glands during the initial few days, it is called as colostrum. It is called as colostrum. Then this colostrum or this milk, it contains the antibodies, immunoglobulin A, and the nutrients. So these all antibodies and the nutrients, they develop the immunity in the baby. Okay, so when the milk will be taken by the baby, it will develop the immunity in the baby so that it can be saved from the attack of bacteria and deadly virus. Okay, and it will provide the immunity to that baby. So that is the lactation period is there. Okay, after that, the next is the ovum. So what is ovum? It is a female gamete. Then it is rounded. Ovum, it is round in structure. You can see on the screen. It is non-motile as it cannot move. Generally, it is having the size of 0.15 millimeter in size. Okay. Then its nucleus is large and it is centrally placed, or it on also been found in the one side of the ovum. This nucleus, it is large. Then it contains cell plasma or the yolk which surround the nucleus, and in the yolk it also contains the nutrients which save the ovum. ये जब तक फर्टिलाइजेशन नहीं होता है, तब तक इम्प्लांटेशन नहीं होता है, तब तक जो है ओवम के अंदर की जो भाग है वो इस योग के द्वारा जो है वो न्यूट्रिएंट्स के द्वारा जो इससे मिलते हैं उससे वो जो है बचा हुआ रहता है. ठीक है. So this ovum, it is made up of various layers. The structure of the ovum, if we see, it is having the structure such as outer layer, it is called as corona radiata. Outer जो layer है, it is called as corona radiata. This corona radiata, it protect the inner layer of the ovum. The corona radiata layer जो है, it protects the inner layers of the ovum. Then after that, below the corona radiata, the layer is there called as zona pellucida. इसके नीचे पाई जाती है zona pellucida layer. This zona pellucida layer, it is made up of glycoproteins. These glycoproteins or this zona pellucida layer, it protect the inner contents of the ovum के अंदर का जो भाग है उनको प्रोटेक्ट करके रखती है zona pellucida layer, and it also till the एक्ट्रोसोम रिएक्शन स्टार्ट्स इनसाइड इट. जब तक कि इसके अंदर एक्ट्रोसोम या स्पर्म का फर्टिलाइजेशन नहीं होता है, तब तक जो है ये क्या करती है, इनर कंटेंट जो होता है ओवम का उसको बचा के रखती है. ठीक है. देन द न्यूक्लियस इज देयर. द न्यूक्लियस इट कंटेन्स द 23 सेट्स ऑफ क्रोमोसोम इनसाइड इट. ठीक है. क्लियर. सो इट इज haploid nucleus is being found inside it, which contains 23 pairs of chromosome. Then after that, below the this zona pellucida layer and in the cytoplasm of the ovum, now on the corners the critical granules are being found. Critical granules are being found there. These critical granules, they releases the enzymes. Now these enzymes, which are being necessary during the fertilization. Okay, and that harden the zona pellucida layer. These enzymes which have been released by the critical granules, they harden the zona pellucida layer. है ना. When this zona pellucida layer it becomes hardened, इससे क्या होगा, एक बार में एक ही जो है स्पर्म वो इस ओवम के अंदर एंटर कर पाएगा. ठीक है. और जब वो लेयर जो हार्ड हो जाएगी ज़ोना पेलुसिडा लेयर की, तो बाकी की जो स्पर्म्स हैं वो इसके अंदर एंटर नहीं कर पाएंगे. ठीक है. उस ओवम के अंदर एंटर नहीं कर पाएंगे. क्लियर. सो दैट क्रिटिकल ग्रेन्यूल जो है उसके द्वारा जो एंजाइम्स बनते हैं उससे क्या होती है, जोना पेलोसिडल लेयर वो हार्ड हो जाती है और इससे क्या होता है, एक ही जो है स्पर्म वो एंटर कर सकता है ओवम के अंदर, बाकी के स्पर्म्स वो एंटर नहीं कर पाते हैं। सो दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ ओवम। देन इस ओवम के हम फंक्शंस देखते हैं, व्हाट आर द फंक्शंस ऑफ द ओवम। सो लिसन इट केयरफुली। This ovum, it contains a set of 23 chromosomes which is being shared during the fertilization. Clear? Then this ovum, it is get fertilized by the sperm. So जो ovum जो है वो sperm के द्वारा fertilization होता है. Clear? Then this ovum, it provide nutrients to the growing embryo till the implantation. ये जो ovum क्या करता है, उस ग्रोइंग एम्ब्रियो को न्यूट्रिएंट्स प्रदान करता है जब तक कि उसका इम्प्लांटेशन यूटेरस में ना हो जाए। ठीक है, तो ये सारे जो हैं these are the functions of the ovum which is been done by it. Okay, hello, hello, hello बेटा।
Yes, sir.